So, hello guys, my name is Anup and I am back again with the continuation of the animal sounds. So, in this particular class, as I had told you in my previous class, which I have taken on animal sound, that I would do a part 2 for the rest of the animals, and also we would do the assessment part today in this particular video. So let's start it from the place where we had left in the previous class. Okay, so we were just exploring the sounds of the animals and we were here on this particular slide with these animals. So the wolf, let's see the first animal in this slide. It's wolf, and wolf do howling sound. It howls. And next animal is bear, and bear does growling sound. So bear growls. Yes. So howl and growl. Howl, growl. Yes. And the next thing, yeah, in this slide I've got a duck. Yes. And how does it make its sound? And what is the name of the sound that duck makes? It's quack. It's quack. Yes, sorry. And the real pronunciation is quack. Yes. So it does like this: quack, 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 quack. Yes. So duck sound is called quack, quack, quack. Now, next thing is monkey. Monkey's sound is called chatter. बिकॉज मंकीज आर सिमिलर टू ह्यूमन बींग्स, वो इंसानों के ज़्यादा करीब होते हैं. सो दे ऑल्सो टॉक. यस, इन देयर लैंग्वेज दे टॉक एंड वी कॉल देयर टॉकिंग चैटरिंग. यस, चैटर मीन्स बात करना. सो दे ऑल्सो टॉक टू इच अदर. यस, सो वी कॉल मंकीज साउंड चैटर. चैटर. यस, दे चैटर. द मंकीज चैटर. Yes. Next thing is, and next animal is elephant. Yes, elephant. Elephant. Okay. So the elephant sound is called trumpet. Yes. So आप लोगों ने सुना होगा ना चिंगाड़ना, हाथी चिंगाड़ता है. So its sound is called trumpet. Trumpet. I cannot make that sound because it would be very difficult for all of us to make the sounds like animal. Only mimicry artist can do that. Yes, but we have to know the name of their sounds. So elephant makes trumpet sound, and trumpet is a kind of instrument, guys. पता है आप लोगों की ट्रम्पेट नाम का एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है जिसको बजाने से ना हाथी के जैसे ही आवाज़ निकलती है, इसलिए उसके नाम को ना ट्रम्पेट बोल दिया गया. यस, सो ट्रम्पेटिंग. सो एलिफेंट trumpets. So elephant sound is called trumpeting. Trumpet. Yes. Next animal is dog. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I have written here puppy. No, actually, the previous class that I took for animal kids, it has come from there. So it's not its sound. Puppy is not its sound. It's the kid's name. Okay. So dog sound is called bark. Yes, guys. So dogs sound is called bark or barking. भौंकना. Yes, ये भौंकता है. Okay. So dog's sound is called bark. It barks. Barks. Yes. Next animals are pig and mouse. So pig sound is called snort. 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 It does like this, no? So it's called snorting. Snort karna. Snort karna. Yes, so it's called snort. So pig snorts and mouse squeaks. आप लोगों ने चूहे को सुना होगा ना, ची 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 ची. You कुछ like this they make. Yes, and these sounds are called squeaks. Squeaks. Yes, squeaks. So mouse squeaks. So mice squeak. So this is called squeaking sound. Squeaks. Yes. Okay, guys. So these many animals were left in that class, so that I completed, and now we are going to do the assessment part. So now you have got 20 or 22 animals with their sounds, and all the sounds maybe you have remembered with the animals. Yes, and now it is time to check that how much we have learned. Okay, so now in this particular assessment part, or in this particular activity, which is very simple and we do it very commonly in the themes or in the topics that we have studied. Okay, so these kind of match the animals with their sounds. Okay, this is the match the column activity. It is very simple. So now you can see on your left you have given the animals picture, okay, and their names, and on the next other side, on the right side, you have been given the sounds name, the sounds that they make. Okay, and we have already known that what are the sounds they make and what we call their what are the names of their sounds. Okay, so that we have to match. Okay, so the first picture is of a chicken. Chicken means hen. Yes, chicken. Hen is also called chicken. So chicken sound. Okay, what is the chicken sound? So the first is trumpet, then so we have to go to the right side and we have to read it from the beginning, from the top to bottom. Okay, so trumpet, no, cluck, neigh, meow, bleat, and snort. So chicken sound is clucking sound, as I've told you that hens do clucking, cluck, 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 cluck. Yes, and then next animal is goat. For goat we have trumpet, cluck, neigh, meow, bleat, and snort. So for goat I had told you that it's bleating. The goat sound is called bleating. So bleat, bleat. Yes. So and next is elephant. So elephant sound is trumpet. We just knew it. Yes. Before two slides. Yes. So elephant sound is called trumpet. And then pig. Pig sound is called snort. Snort. Pig sound is called snort. And next is cat. Cat's sound is called meow. Yes. And horse sound is called neigh. Neigh. Like this. Okay. So I'm not very good at making sounds, but I have just given you the glimpse of the sounds. Okay. So this way we does this activity. We do this activity. Okay. Okay. Now let's move further. Okay, now we have another kind of activity here. So uh, you have not been given any clue. आपको कोई clue नहीं दिया गया है. You have just been given the animal's name and then you have to recall the sounds that they make and fill in the blanks. So this is little complicated, guys, and for that you need skill and labor. Yes, आपको मेहनत की जरूरत है. So a horse, what kind of sound does it make? Neighs. Okay. It would be very difficult for me to write it on this slide. So I am just giving you the sounds. Okay. And you have to follow me. Okay. So first picture is of a horse. Yes. So horse, a horse, neigh. Neigh. Yes. Next animal is cow. So a cow moose. So I'm just putting the sounds in the blank. Yes. So a horse neighs, a cow moos, a dog barks, a sheep bleats, because sheep and goat are similar. So they do. So they both bleats. Yes. So a sheep bleats, a hen clucks, a pig snorts, a mouse squeaks, a frog croaks, a donkey, he haws. Remember the first slide, very first slide. Yes. So the donkey, a donkey, he haws. A lion roars. An elephant trumpets. And a bear growls. Yes. So I have told you the sounds of all these animals. Yes. So see that, remember that, and do this activity by pausing the video. Okay. Next next activity. This is the final activity. And again, you have to draw the line from the animals to their sounds. It's very easy. Okay. So you have got monkey, sparrow, snake, crow, frog, crocodile, parrot, wolf, and duck. And their sounds are written in the middle of the slide. So you just have to draw a line from them to the sounds they make. Yes. So the monkey. Monkey, what does it do? Tweet, quack, roar, chatter, hiss, howl, croak, or caw. So we know that monkey makes chattering sound. So it chatters. So it chatter. So monkey chatters. Okay. Then sparrow. So sparrow tweets. Then snake. Snake hiss. And crow cows. Then frog croaks. And crocodile, again crocodile also do the hissing sound, so it hisses. And parrot, it, okay, I've forgotten to put the option for parrot. Okay, so no worry, you just leave the parrot. And we have wolf, and wolf does howling sound, so it howls. And then we have duck, so duck quacks. So we have drawn the line from the animals to their sounds. Only one crow is left because for it we have no sound here. Okay, so leave it alone. So this way we completed this activity. Okay guys, so thank you for participating in this particular class, and now I have finished the animal sound with this part too. Okay, so please do this sincerely with focus and do practice it. Okay, and again, I every time I say that speaking practice is more important than writing. Writing comes later. Okay, when your speaking is good, then your writing is automatically going to be good. Okay, so practice it more orally and then in written, and keep sending me your works on the in the WhatsApp group that we have created for your experience sharing and work sharing. Okay guys, so I'm just stopping this video and we'll see you with the next theme. Okay, okay guys, so bye.